As part of this section, I'll be creating a project called Kafka Workshop from the scratch using IDE called IntelliJ. I'll be demonstrating on Windows. You can use Mac OS or even Linux-based desktop where IntelliJ is set up, and you can follow the same instructions. There are no differences between the environments. That being said, here I am connected to my Windows PC. Either I can click on IntelliJ IDEA commutation here, or I can also search as part of the search bar. And we can actually click on this. It will open the same page. If you already have a project, it might open the project. If it opens the project which you already developing, then you have to go to File and click on New Project, and then it will actually show this page. Whether you directly go through whatever I have demonstrated here, or if you open from existing project with File New Project, it will take you to this page. It might choose Java by default, and there is a Scala here. Make sure you don't select this. Rather, you use Scala here and select SBT, because we are trying to set up SBT based Scala project. The purpose of this is, if you want to build a Scala based module as part of a Java application, then you can use this. But in our case, we are actually developing a exclusive Scala based application, and hence we have to choose Scala and then SBT here, and then we have to click on next. Once you click on next, it will actually take you to the page where you can actually enter the name of the project, and also you have to choose SBT as well as Scala versions that is relevant for your project. So here I am giving the name as Kafka demo. If this more settings is collapsed, make sure to expand this, and you can see the details where this project is going to. The actual project folder will be this one, which is nothing but C:users dgadi, which is the home directory for my user on this PC, and then IDEA projects, and then whatever project name we give here. In this case, I want to give it as Kafka Workshop, not Kafka Demo. Now you see it change it to Kafka Workshop. If JDK is not selected, make sure to go to New, C Drive, Program Files, Java, JDK. This is where your 64-bit JDK will be there. Don't go to Program Files x86. Even if you have Java, don't choose that, because we are trying to use 64-bit version, not the 32-bit version. If you go to Program Files x86, it will actually give you the 32-bit versions. Okay, so make sure to go to Program Files, Java, JDK, and click on OK, and it will select the JDK from there. Then when it comes to SBT, you have to choose appropriate SBT version based upon your target applications. In the end, we want to build Spark based applications, and Spark is primarily compatible with Scala 2.11, and hence we have to choose Scala 2.11. And also Scala 2.11 is compatible with 0.13 more than Scala SBT 1, and hence we'll be choosing the latest version of SBT 0.13. Once you make these choices, make sure you spend some time and use these choices exclusively. Otherwise, you might run into some inconsistent issues, and it will be time-taking process to troubleshoot those one-off issues. And hence, make sure you choose appropriate versions of SBT and Scala. As we are primarily targeting for Spark-based applications, here we are using SBT 0.13.17 and Scala 2.11.12. And then we can click on Finish. Now it will actually set up the project, and it will take quite a bit of time for the first time to set up the project. The project structure will be looking like this. You have Kafka Workshop, and then .idea, project, source, target, and build.sbt. You can see the build.sbt here. We'll be adding Kafka based dependencies to this file, and then we have to import the dependencies, and then we should be able to develop our applications. So as part of the next topic, we'll be actually seeing the dependencies that needs to be added with respect to Kafka. We will review the downloaded dependencies, and then we'll actually go ahead and start developing the Kafka based applications.